But if your computer is randomly freezing and you have to force restart it, that's not good, because the next one comes from us from YouTube. Baking Queen 67 asks, my screen freezes randomly and I have to force restart it. You're probably running Windows. So let me ask you a couple questions. You could probably put more comments down below, which helps out with this, Baking Queen. But if your computer is randomly freezing and you have to force restart it, that's not good, because after about 10 or 15 times, you'll start to corrupt the operating system, which it eventually will not start at all. So forcing a hard restart or forcing a power off and power on is not good. You should find out what's happening with them. If today cleared up even one headache, a weird pop-up, an AI worry, or a stubborn printer, you're already ahead. Write down the one fix or idea that helped most and try it before the week's out. If you found this useful and informative, please share it with someone who could use a little help making their tech life a little easier.